Welcome back to Financify. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to recover your Safepal wallet on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Safepal app on your mobile device. Once inside the app, tap on Software Wallet from the options. Select Recover Wallet or Import by Mnemonic phrase. Now, carefully enter your 12, 18 or 24-word recovery phrase. Ensure that each word is spelled correctly and in the right order. Make sure you are in a private space to keep your recovery phrase secure. After entering your recovery phrase, tap Confirm to proceed. Now, enter your user ID. Then, tap Import. You will be prompted to set up your wallet security, including creating a new password or enabling biometric security. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once you have set up your security, you will be directed to your wallet's main dashboard. Congratulations! You have successfully recovered your Safepal wallet. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and tutorials. See you in the next video on Financify.